Hey everybody, it's Sam here, and today I'm launching another new collection, and this is called Pop-Up Blooms. Now some of you might recognise this style because it is a card pop-up that's been around for quite a while, and I do actually have a tutorial on this channel showing you how to make it without the dies, so there's something for everyone. The dies just give you that precision and ease and speed, but there's a tutorial there as well for those that want it. So there are 4 new Pop-Up Blooms, a sentiment stamp set, 2 new 8x8 embossing folders, and my very first 12x12 paper pack, because you do need a paper with this one. So let me show you a sample. So I haven't decorated the front because these are all samples, but when you open it, it reveals this wonderful pop-up. This one really does make people, you know, smile. I think it's pretty amazing how this one works, and it's very, very easy, like I said, with the dies, and I've already got tutorials ready to go out once this is launched. So this one here, nice birthday card, and I've used pattern papers on this one, but you've got the option to have stamped detail as well. So I'll show you some more samples in a moment. So you've got these 4 here. So you've got your bold blooms, scalloped hearts, diamond blooms, and pretty blooms. You can see the different shapes there. So you can see your little heart shape, and you've got your bold, just the nice big curved edges there. You've got that diamond one there with the points, and then you've got this pretty one as well. All of the top portion is the dies, so that's everything you need to make the pop-up. And then below you've got these stamps. Now these are nice big size stamps, and these on their own you can make really nice backgrounds with. I'm going to be creating some card shapes using these as well. But you can see there, these are actually doodles that I did one evening to suit all of the different kind of blooms, I guess. So yeah, something there for all occasions, I think. So you can heat emboss them, and they look really nice stamped on the petals. There's a card here that Gemma's done. I asked her to just do a card just showing how you could maybe use the stamps on their own. She actually used the Creative Cuts, I think it's the tall arrows on this one. But you can see she's heat embossed the different hearts there with the happy birthday, and then some of the die cut ones and some of the sprigs. So just an idea, and that's a nice way how you could decorate the front of the card possibly. And that's how the main dies look as well, just to give you an idea on the size. So they're the 4 new collections. So all of this is available individually. You can also buy it as a bundle. Then I've got my new sentiment discs. So you have something for most occasions here. Happy birthday, thinking of you, get well soon, a bloom just for you, good luck, from us all, I'm here for you, live life in full bloom, to my beautiful friend, Merry Christmas, Happy Mother's Day, hello, just for you, congrats, and special friend. These are going to go well with all my past collections, but also with my pop-up bouquet, because that has all the flowers with it. So if you want those kind of sentiments that have that floral theme to them, then this could be a nice addition for people that have that set as well. And then the new embossing folders. So I have 2 new 8x8 embossing folders, because lots of you have asked me to bring out more 8x8 ones. This one here is your bold lines, and this one here is bubbles. So I have a bubble design here, and you can see that lovely effect it's going to give. So even though it's bubbles, it will work with more than just underwater themed cards. You'll see on some of the samples in a moment how that works really well. And then these bold lines, you can see there, again, going to work on many other collections that I've brought out. Just wanted 2 kind of patterns that are going to go with many, many things. So hopefully you enjoy the 2 new ones there. And then I've got my 12x12 paper pad. So you've got 32 sheets in this one here. It's 150 GSM, and it's called Sweet Candy. And it's got all these lovely colours that will work perfectly with this collection, because you do need a paper with these dies. You don't want to be using a heavyweight cardstock. I don't recommend anything really above 180, 200 GSM. You do want to stick around that 150 GSM. So you get that nice pop-up. So I'll just show you a couple more samples. I've got this one here, Thinking of You. Gemma's actually done that one. Really, really sweet. I've got this one. I'm just looking at some others. I've got this one here, To My Beautiful Friend, and they all do stand up. They can also be displayed this way, more so if you add it into a 5x7. So I've done this one here. I was a bit bold with my colours on this one, but I still think it kind of works. So you got your good luck there, but the 5x7, it can stand really open and in that portrait orientation. But you can see it still works really nicely in the landscape as well. I'm going to do a demo on Wednesday with it in this orientation, just so you can get an idea on how that all works. And I've used some of my old papers there as well that some of you might recognise. You can see the stamped design on these ones, as opposed to that one that I shared with the pattern paper there. Gemma's done this one, which has a bit of all the colours on it, To My Special Friend. And then I've done this one where I've stamped the thick frame around the edges. Get well soon. Love that one. I think it's really, really sweet. You can also see the embossing folder on that one there. And the bubbles one is on this one here. You can see that lovely detail that you get there. So I'm going to be doing some more demos today over on the Craft Stash Facebook channel. That will be at 12:30 GMT. It will all be linked below, and I will have more tutorials being shared over on my Made to Surprise YouTube channel. I'll also have that linked below if you are not subscribed, because you'll get some more inspiration over there as well. So all of this product is available now to check out over on the Craft Stash website. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel here, and that way you won't miss out on any future videos. And keep checking back at this playlist here, because it will have all of the pop-up blooms tutorials. I'll add them there for anybody watching this at a later date. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoy this new collection, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.